Se sanjali yunte nachiga. Yunte nachi yuru. Kobi nangi zung. Kachi bese wachin. Shie nyuru zota mi. Juno maru zota yu.
A single piece of wisdom is more precious than 100 nuggets of gold. For a single piece of knowledge has the potential to become a timeless treasure of the mind. 'Cause knowledge, no matter how scarce, remains endless, whereas wealth, no matter its abundance, inevitably depletes. These Bhutanese proverbs beautifully capture the enduring value of knowledge over material wealth, emphasizing how knowledge, despite its scarcity, remains limitless, while wealth, no matter its abundance, ultimately diminishes. It elegantly combines the concepts of knowledge's everlasting nature and wealth's transience.